Thanks for joining us again here on Good Day. Amanda, I helped you out with this week's hack.
You did. I had a fashion emergency that I figured I could test a hack for, and you were there to record it for me. Take a look at how I work to remove a stain. Okay, so very first time wearing my brand new shirt, and I splashed salad dressing. You see it? The oil, it's such a pain to get out. So I was here at work and I was like, what do? I looked up a hack, and a lot of things will say use baking powder, baking soda, baby powder if you have it. I didn't have any of that here. So artificial sweetener is the next best thing. So maybe if you're out at a restaurant or you're at work like me, sprinkle some artificial sweetener on there to help keep that stain from setting in. So I'm gonna do that. Gonna see if it soaks it up. Okay, we'll see. I'm gonna let it sit for a while, and then when I get it home, I'll show you the next step. Step 2, I have gotten my shirt home. I'm in my laundry room. The next thing you're gonna need is some dish soap. So I have some of that here, and you're just gonna put it on this stain. And you'll need a toothbrush as well at the tiny little spot there. You'll take a toothbrush and just kind of gently rub that in to those stains. And then you're gonna let it sit for a few minutes and then toss it in the washing machine. So I'll let you know how it all turns out. Hopefully I'll be stain free here soon. All right, so moment of truth. Okay, let's see. I think we're in good shape. I think this spot is gone. Very nice. Yay! I give this hack a thumbs up. I'm so excited about that because it was the first time I wore the shirt.
That's always how it happens. I tried a hack similar to that because it was on our Good Day aprons. It was one of those interviews where I was doing a lot more eating than talking.
A little spillage, but that's why we wear the aprons.
Yeah, that's why we wear the aprons. And it was very similar. So it was a little bit of like sugar or something.
Did you use baking soda?
Or, no, it was baking soda. That's right. See, you listen when I talk.
I do.
I can't remember how I fixed my mistakes. But yeah, a little bit of baking soda, a little bit of done, and then it was just like, done, and it came out.
Yeah,
so now I'm back to business.
And if you're at a restaurant, then you won't have baking soda, but you'll have some artificial sweetener. So maybe go to the bathroom and just. Luckily for me, we have lockers, and I keep like a spare change of clothes in there. And I had like 3 people ask me that day, like, "You're kind of dressed down today, Amanda." I'm like, "I'm testing a hack. It's for work. I'm testing a hack."
I remember when I came in and you're like, "All right, let's do this." And I'm like, "You just have like a t-shirt here?" Like, I don't.
Yeah.
So I just, risky business. Maybe I should wear my apron for all my lunches. But I don't have that really good hack, so I'm just safe and sound.
So we're good with that one. And yeah, so write that one down. Keep that with you. I'll post it on my Facebook page later today too, so that you can share that with your friends.